The young blood has brought in a lot of new innovative ideas and they have fixed a deadline themselves. They wanted to finish it before the deadline.
I have been a customer of BSNL for the past about 30 years. The scene is totally changed now. The youngsters are able to rise up to the occasion. They are doing wonderful service.
We got very fast response from BSNL for this service, telephone service and Intel broadband. We got a sooner response from BSNL.
Yeah, whatever you are doing, consistent should be there. And it's really a great team, young blood, young engineers.
And they were very serious in providing some services to all the residents here.
1976 டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்ல வந்து என்கரேஜ் பண்ணுறது வந்து நான் இங்கே தான் ஃபஸ்ட் டைம் பண்ணுறேன். அதுவும் யங் ஜேடிஓஸ் எஸ்டிஇஸ் இதில் வந்து இவ்வளோ இனிஷியேட்டிவ் எடுத்து பண்ணாங்க. அது வந்து உண்மையிலே பெருமையாக இருக்குது. இந்த அளவுக்கு போச்சுன்னா நம்ம பிஎஸ்என்எல் டெவலப்மெண்ட்டு எங்கேயே போயிடும்.
This graduate engineer group, they did a wonderful job of marketing and they took the feedback from the residents of these apartments and ensured almost all of them would like to take our landline connection and broadband connections.
Let us move to one of the upcoming area in Chennai named Nolambo West Mogappai, where a group of young executives surveyed its revenue potentiality and found that most of the residents are from high income group and used to spend about rupees 1,800 per month for their telecom needs. Though most of them prefer BSNL services, BSNL yet to provide telecom services in this place. Neither proper infrastructure was put in place nor even properly planned. Private telecom operators have already put into place their infrastructure. BSNL would be able to generate revenue of about 2.5 crores in this upcoming area by capturing at least 60% market share. Realizing these business prospects, we approached our CGM Shri A. Subramanian with a detailed proposal. On listening this proposal, he readily accepted our proposal and instructed all concerned to make this project a great success.
There is a project at DABC Mithilam Apartments where our graduate engineers in the Chennai Telephones came to me with the details that the residents in that apartments they prefer BSNL connections. So then when they brought this information to my notice, I immediately appreciated their sense of belonging and their owning such a responsibility as a voluntary work apart from the regular work. So I felt elated by their approach and I immediately made our management to realize this potential and see that they requested this project should be completed before July 31st. Otherwise, the Airtel may enter into that premises and we may lose that connections in that apartments. So I thought we should take it as a challenge and it should act as a spark for our other sections in the Chennai Telephones.
There is a public perception that BSNL is incompetent with new age companies. With this prayas, we clear the misperception prevailing in the public that BSNL cannot compete with new age companies in the matters of timely, efficient and advanced telecom solutions has been broken.
Not on landline. Okay, landline good.
ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಸರ್ ಇದೆ.
Even with mobile, we all can manage. Broadband, without broadband, it's something like it's going to a stage where we are really without mobile.
Currently, I'm using the data card that works out well, but the range is not very good here. That is true with all mobile services.
We already committed that this many people would be willing to take up BSNL. Now, a week back, Mr. Govind, he approached us. He said he can take it up from where it was left. And now they are doing their work fast. They already started. Today they have come, your entire marketing team was here. They wanted to have a look at the premises and they wanted to have a mini exchange kind of thing inside our premises. And they plan to come up with the OFC, so not like that other regular cables. So that the connectivity, speed and everything will be followed. And
as a Young Engineers Association, we took up this case before CGM 2 days before. And we said by July 31st, entire building has to be provided all the multiple services at any cost. That's the target we set for ourselves.
I thought we should take it as a challenge and it should act as a spark for our other sections in the Chennai telephones, so that this enthusiasm should catch up elsewhere and everywhere. So that's what I felt, and as a test case, I immediately asked our people to arrange the required cable, and from the area people, I asked them to focus and make their field officer to complete this job in time. And everything went on well, and the field officer, the SD in charge of the exchange also, he also worked day and night, and this graduate engineer group, they did a wonderful job of marketing. They took feedback from the residents of these apartments and ensured all of them would like to take our landline connection and broadband connections. They have played their part, and in the meantime the development wing organized the provision of cables, and the field GM in charge, he also personally visited 2-3 times and encouraged these people, and the field subdivisional engineer worked day and night with his staff and the contractors and ensured the work is completed, and I could see that the project was almost in the final shape. Just before July 31st, I could see that connections were also made through, which was a very happy occasion, and we feel proud.
We are equally happy to see this project success and look for similar projects ahead. Jai Hind.